Clickup Dashboard examples for project management. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the Clickup Dashboard examples for project management and much more. So let's get into it. First of all, you can actually go to clickup.com and you will land right here. Clickup is all-in-one workspace that allows you to collaborate with your team. You will be able to create projects and organize them and do a lot more. When it comes to ClickUp, we have different types of workspaces, and each workspace have different dashboards. We have different types of boards that we can create. So in this video, I'll cover ClickUp dashboards and I'll show you how to get started and what are the different types of dashboard we can create. So if you do not have an account on ClickUp, you can actually get one by signing up. All you need to do is just enter your email address and click on Get Started. After the initial sign up on ClickUp, this is where you will get. You can see on ClickUp, we have home, and then we have pulse, goals, and more. And then we have favorites. We have spaces that we can create. We have ClickUp documents, and then we have ClickUp dashboards. So you will have to navigate to the dashboard option right here and click on create a new dashboard. Or you can actually check out the other dashboards that you have created. So let's actually create one from the scratch. Click on add dashboard. And now it will ask you to create a board. You can either go ahead and use a template. We have different types of templates available. We have a simple dashboard, a reporting dashboard, or a time tracking dashboard. So I can use these or I can start from the scratch. So I'm going to click right here. And now we will be able to add different widgets to a dashboard. So let's add task list. This is an important widget to add for project management. Create a list view using task from any location. So I'm going to use this right here, and we can give our task list a name. For now, let's just call it test task list. Perfect. And now we can select a location. When it comes to a dashboard has a lot of different boards. So we can add more than one board to a dashboard. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add 2 of my project management dashboards right here. These are going to be my locations. Then we can select different subtasks added. We have different types of settings to do now, such as adding groups. Now click on add widget, and this widget will be added to your dashboard and it will be created. So you can see now I have a task list, and this task list comprises of all of the different tasks I have in 2 of the boards. So this is how we can manage different boards within one dashboard. So this is like my first widget. But when it comes to task management and project management, I can actually add more widgets. So I'm going to click on add widget option right here. And this time, I'm going to go to the custom option here. And in custom, you can see we have line chart, we have bar chart. These are the different types of dashboards available on ClickUp. We have calculation, we have portfolio. Then in tags, we have tag usage, we have tag or usage in bar, then we have others. We have assignees right here, task by assignees, and then we have task by assignee, a bar graph, we have pie graph. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with a pie graph for the tasks by assignee. And when it comes to the location, again, I'm going to select the same boards that I am managing. And when it comes to the assignees, I'm going to select all of the assignees right here, like this. Now, again, we have different settings that we can do, and click on add widget. So this widget will also be added to my dashboard. So you can see now we have task by assignee and task list. Let's add another widget for project management. We can go to time tracking, and in time tracking we have time reporting, we have time sheet, we have billable reports, time estimate, and time track. These are going to be in our unlimited plan available on ClickUp. We also have tables. So we have task list in the form of table, and then we have completed report. So I was looking for this one. I'm going to select completed report. In location, again, select the same boards that I want to. We can select more than 2 boards as well. Keep that in mind. We can select as many boards as we like. Time range. So the time range is going to be this month. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this widget, and it will be added to my dashboard. And there you go. Now you can see my project management dashboard is looking good, and I have all of these different widgets added to it. So this is a perfect example of a dashboard for project management. If I click on add widget and show you some more, we also have the dashboard webinar, we have dashboard guide available, we have the embed option that will allow me to embed YouTube Twitter, Google Slides, Google Doc, Google Sheet, and custom embed as well. So if I have, let's say I actually do the time tracking on Clockify. So I'll actually embed the link and add Clockify on my dashboard. If I want to add any other app, I can get the custom HTML. If I want to add a blog, let's say I have a document, I can just get the URL and the HTML and add it right here, and I'll be able to add it to my board. In sprints right here, we have burn down, we have velocity chart available, we have cycle time, and we have a lead time as well. So these are different types of widgets that we can add to a dashboard. Within a dashboard, we can actually organize it better. So if I want to, let's say, make this one a little bigger, so I can do that like this. And then we have task by assignee. So I'm going to place it here and actually make it a little bit smaller. There you go. And similarly, I can get this one and place it here. So this way we will be able to organize our dashboard with our ClickUp right here. If you want to share your dashboard, you can click on the share option and you will be able to invite team members. All you need to do is just enter their email address here and an invitation will be sent to them via email. And then I can expand the view and we have these three dots. Click on these three dots. You'll be able to rename, duplicate, add to favorite, or share, and permissions. And again, we have different filters that we can create. This is the edit mode. If you want to switch off the edit mode, the add widget option will disappear and you will get your simple view option right here on your board. So you can see these are the different items that I have selected now, and we have different boards too. And then we have our dashboards here. Keep in mind, I can switch between different dashboards here. You can see in the menu and they will be in a workspace. So you can see these are all the dashboards that are available on ClickUp and I'll be able to organize them better. I'll be able to create a dashboard of my own and completely customize it the way I like. Similarly, documents are separated from dashboard and boards are a different thing. Dashboard is a different thing. So as you can see, a lot of different widgets are actually available in the unlimited plan. So let me actually show you the pricing plan for ClickUp so that you will have a better idea that what are the different features you will be getting in the unlimited plan. So this is the pricing plan for ClickUp. You can see we have a lot of different plans available. If I switch to the yearly plans here, we have a free forever plan and then we have an unlimited. So with just $5 per month, you will be able to get a lot of different widgets on ClickUp. This is the unlimited plan, best for small teams, and you can see unlimited storage, unlimited integrations, unlimited dashboards. So this is unlimited just for $5 per member per month. And then we have business for $12 per member per month. And then we have a business plan for $19 per member per month. And then there is an enterprise that is going to be custom pricing for custom features. So this is the pricing plan for ClickUp. So go ahead and create your own dashboard on ClickUp to get more productive and collaborate with your team, add different widgets, and organize your boards in one place. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.